Natural casings are one of the world's oldest edible packaging materials, and for over 100 years, the DAT-Schaub group has brought together world cuisine using this unique product. DAT-Schaub, whose corporate headquarters are located in Copenhagen, is today one of the world's leading producers and distributors of hog and sheep casings. We have companies and sales offices serving a majority of the markets where the group sells its products. Some of our companies also distribute artificial casings on selected markets, and the DAT-Schaub group represents some of the best brands on the world market, such as Viscofan, Naturin and Visco T-Pack. Food ingredients, packaging and casing cleaning lines are also important business areas within the group. From our humble beginnings in 1893, when the company was founded in Denmark and consisted of only 4 men, we have gradually expanded our activities to now distribute natural casings to the entire world market. Today, nearly 1,800 workers are employed at our factories and offices in Europe. We were also an active partner in 2 Chinese joint ventures consisting of approximately 2,000 employees. More than 90% of the group's sales are made outside of Denmark, which is why we received the honorary King Frederik IX Award for our contributions to Danish exports in 1988. We offer a wide product range on every market to meet both local traditions and global trends. This means that our clients can generally have most of their sausage production needs met by dealing through one of our sales offices. A large portion of DAT-Schaub's hog casings is produced in Denmark, where it is possible to obtain outstanding, consistent quality due to the country's uniform production conditions. Globally, our guts rooms are generally located directly at the slaughterhouses, where fresh sets of casings are transported directly to our casing cleaners. The sets of casings are separated by individual type and then immediately put through the cleaning process. The mucosa from the hog runners is removed during the same process and sold to the medical industry, where it is used to develop heparin. Following the cleaning process, the casings are salted in barrels and sent to the group's calibration factories in Europe and/or China. Another important product derived from the sets of casings are hog stomachs, thousands of tons which are sold frozen primarily to markets in the Far East, including mainly China, where pork stomachs is a great delicacy used in various traditional dishes. At our factories in Europe and China, hog casings, fat ends and chitterlings are selected in precisely controlled calibers and then salted and stored in barrels. A majority is sent directly to our customers, while the rest is kept in stock. Sheep casings are purchased primarily in New Zealand, Australia and in part in the Middle East. The selection process is carried out at calibration factories in China. The salted casings are packed in barrels and then distributed to the world market. A portion of both hog and sheep casings are, however, tubed at the group's factories, as this allows for the creation of a casing product that is in greater demand and easier to use in sausage production. The group also produces large volumes of laminated casings in caliber widths that are in demand on the market. All of the group's production facilities are subject to the utmost requirements in hygiene, and they're continuously monitored by the relevant veterinary and governmental authorities. Artificial casings constitute nearly half of the world's casings consumption and are therefore a natural product group in DAT-Schaub's catalogue. At the group's converting centre in Tallinn, Estonia, we received rolled plastic and fibrous casings from our suppliers. The casings are then moistened, sometimes printed, and then shirred in the desired lengths of typically 30 to 75 meters, depending on the casing caliber. Tied casings of varying lengths are also produced at the factory. We deliver ingredients for the food industry, either in bulk or ready-to-use finished blends. The latter is particularly popular, as they help to optimize our customers' logistics and purchasing operations. The barcodes on all ingredients through all links in the production process ensure the full traceability of our finished products. Our other packing products include elastic netting, shrink and cooking bags and films used in packaging various foodstuffs. Selecting the correct natural or artificial casing for your product and target group requires comprehensive knowledge, which is why DAT-Schaub offers in-depth consulting. We often enter into close development collaboration with our clients, often by sending our application technicians and product managers to participate in test productions using the group's casing products, ingredient blends and packing types at a client's facilities. As an innovation-oriented company, we are among the leaders who set the trends in the food industry. At our application laboratory in Paris, for example, many new forms of input for finished product manufacturers are generated to create the right taste and consistency in food products. For the group and the group's employees, it is always important that the client is taken fully into account. That is why we dedicate a great deal of time to meeting with our clients in order to clarify their needs and desires for our products. The group's management, managerial group and employees meet regularly across international borders to review the general development of the individual companies, as well as to follow up on strategies set for our product groups, as well as production and sales units. These initiatives, among others, help ensure that no matter where in the world you encounter products from the DAT-Schaub Group, you can always be sure that they meet the highest possible standards in hygiene and quality. DAT-Schaub each year delivers more than 1 billion meters of natural and artificial casings and large volumes of seasoning and functional ingredient blends used in sausage production for selected markets worldwide. This helps us to ensure that consumers of today and tomorrow will be able to enjoy sausage and other meat delicatessen products whenever the craving may strike.